Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3Movers, cheap, Frankfort, local and long-distance movers near me. Our team of qualified movers can ensure your long-distance move goes properly. When you need to move 100 miles away or even 2,500 miles away, our experts can help. The right moving services will help make all the difference, and we provide just what you need for your upcoming relocation. Along with the standard long-distance relocation moving services, we also offer all the following: packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. If you need to work with an Illinois moving company, justifying the expense can seem tough. A local moving company has many advantages, which can make it well worth the cost. A good moving company is just really going to help you preserve time, regardless of how far you're going. You'll also get to eliminate the heavy lifting, which means no threat of injury. Our skilled movers provide effectiveness with each and every move. If you prefer a streamlined moving day, 3Movers is the proper choice for you. When moving locally may be very quick, and our crew can deal with even a large move in just one morning. Contact us today to choose the top Frankfort moving company for your needs. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Frankfort moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.